Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this very big down channel, and I also want to show you this breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall this big breakout, and this was a chart, by the way, I shared for my members at the Patreon on 10th of Feb, when the price line broke out the resistance of this very long-term down channel. You can see the price line was moving in this down channel since the month of July, and here we broke out on 9th of Feb. And I told my members here that we can set our stop loss here at 1.75 cents, because this was the recent swing low on the 4-hourly time frame. I'll show you. And here we also have a bullish divergence when the price line was breaking out. There was also a bullish divergence on the daily time frame as the price line was forming lower low, and we had RSI setting higher low than previous high. Now if I play this chart, then you can see exactly the price line after this breakout. It tested this support of 1.75 cents that I set as a stop loss level, but did not break it down, and also tested this previous resistance of the channel as a support, and still it is getting accumulated there. Now if we take a look at this live daily time frame chart, then you can see exactly here at this support we tested at this level, and now we are gearing up. Now here, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then during this move, while we are gearing up from this support, we have also formed this falling wedge pattern and broke out the resistance of this wedge, and we are having a sideways move here. But here we have found another resistance, and this is the newly formed resistance, and here we also have found a support as well. So there is another symmetrical triangle after this breakout. We also need to break out the resistance of this symmetrical triangle, and within next few hours we can expect this break to the downside or to the upside. I am expecting to the upside because Bitcoin is also breaking out at this time right now when I am sharing this video with you. When I'm recording this video, Bitcoin is also breaking out $40,000 resistance right now at this time. Now let's take a look at the target for the breakout or the breakdown after this triangle. The target after the breakout can be here, approximately here, where we have the next resistance at 3.2 cents, very close to that. 3.5 cents, by the way, it is showing the projection. Now if we take a look at the breakdown, then it is showing the projection to the downside 1.25 cents that I'm not expecting, because before that we have a very strong support at $1.75. Here it has been breaking as a support on the daily time frame, and if I switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see before this breakout, when we broke out this resistance of the channel on 9th of Feb. Before this breakout, we tested this level and confirmed this level as a confirmed support, a perfect support, and then we moved up. Therefore, I don't think so that the price line will break down the support. So next few hours are again very important for SLP token. We are going to break the next resistance. First is resistance of this symmetrical triangle. Then we can hit the next resistance of 2.45 cents, by the way. The next resistance is here, and after 2.45 cents we will have the next resistance here at 3.2 cents, and this will be a very strong resistance at 4 cents. That is also the target for this falling wedge pattern as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.